Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Google Analytics 4 property and copying the measurement ID. This is the key Wix needs to start sending data. Once done, make sure you're logged into Wix with site editor rights and the site is published so tags can fire. Next, choose your method. Paste the global site tag directly into Wix or use Google Tag Manager for more control if you plan multiple tags. This initial choice affects future flexibility and how you troubleshoot later. In the Wix dashboard, go to Settings, then Tracking and Analytics. Click Add New. If using the global site tag, choose Custom and paste the GA4G tag script with your measurement ID into the header. If using Tag Manager, add the container snippet instead. Make sure you select to load on all pages and place the code in the head section so page views record correctly. After inserting the code, publish the site. This activates the tag across the live site so analytics can begin collecting. Finally, verify data by opening Google Analytics Debug View or real-time reports while you visit the publish site. You should see activity within minutes. If nothing appears, clear your browser cache and test in an incognito window with ad blockers disabled to avoid blocking the tag. Make sure the measurement ID or Tag Manager container ID matches exactly and the script is placed in the head for all pages. If problems persist, remove and re-add the tag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.